Okay, so the reason why I replaced the bucket light that was at the tip of the trailer is because every time I was hitting a big hill or a big sidewalk, obviously the front of the trailer was going higher. The back of the trailer was hitting the ground and was breaking the lights every time. So I decided to install those pocket lights instead. It's pretty easy to install. I just make a hole in the frame of the trailer. Still very strong, there's no danger that it will break, but I decided to make a hole in the trailer and put those pocket lights, so now there's no more danger to break any lights. If it happened for the rear of the trailer to go down enough to hit something, at least it will just hit the trailer or maybe break that side light here, but at least I will save my tail lights. So today, as you saw, I got some LEDs to burn out in this one, so we will replace this left tail lights. These are pretty easy to replace, especially when you don't care about the one you are replacing. Simply need a flat screwdriver to pry it out. If I remember correctly, because I installed it about 8 years ago, they were pretty tight, but not tight at a point where I cannot remove it. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to take out. Here I am, guys. I had a little delay because the light I bought was not the right one, so I had to return to the store. They haven't what I needed in stock, so I needed to order a set online. I received them and I'm ready to install the new one in the hole. And the reason why the other one was not fitting is because it was a round connector, while this one is square, as you can see by the connector and the light. Reason why I needed to switch them. So now I have the right one, just matter of connecting it. And putting it back in a hole. There we go. It's very simple to reinstall, and it is the light who actually hold the rubber to the trailer, so there's no danger that the rubber get out. I just saw, but I have a gap here, and I originally, let me show you, I originally put some silicone here so the wind doesn't get under the rubber or the water for that matter, but it been about 8 years old, so I will redo that. But at least now my pocket light's working. It's not connected on the truck yet, but I know it's working because it is a brand new pocket light. So now both my tail lights will work. I don't have to bother with that anymore. So this is it, guys. It's just that simple to install a pocket light or a pocket LED lights or a pocket LED tail lights, call it as you want, on a trailer. It's just a matter of finding the right tool to cut around in that strong steel. It's galvanized steel. I have the tools I need. If you don't have the tools, obviously it's a way bigger job to do. You might want to consider asking someone to do the job for you. But if you have the tools you need, it's very easy to install and you will save money on the way. So this is it for now. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later.